with the X-Block Ruler Template Company, and we're at the Fat Quarter shop today, and today we're going to show you how to use the X-Block templates and their companion ruler, the Mini. So we're using Dearest Friend pattern, and it's the quilt hanging behind me. And we're going to start out by making our center star blocks. So we're going to take our Mini template. We're going to take a strip set that's sewn together with a medium, a dark, and a light. We're going to line up the template on our strip set, and we're going to cut around it with our rotary cutter. Now you'll notice that I'm lining it up on the solid lines. There are other lines on this template, but we're using the solid lines today. And if your ruler slips, just realign, get it back where it was supposed to be. And you're going to cut a block that looks like this. And you'll need several of those for your template. Your pattern will tell you exactly how many, but that's part one of your star. So then we're going to make another template or another block, and this is block B of your star. It's the middle of your star. Works the same way. You're going to take a strip set, this time 2 lights and a dark. You're going to line up your template again with the solid lines on your template. You're going to take your rotary cutter, you're going to cut around it. And don't worry that your pattern, your template hangs off of the edge of your strip set just a tad. As long as it falls within your 1/4 inch seam, you'll be just fine. So now we've got block A and we've got block B. So we're going to take those and we're going to make the center of our star. So we're just going to start out. And as you can see, when we begin to put them together, we're getting our star. And then this makes the middle of our star. Then we're ready to make the waves of the flag, or the Dearest Friend. So we're going to take, and we're going to use the large template, the 6.5 inch larger template. So we've got our middle, our red for our wave. We've got a background and a background. We're going to sew these 2 blocks together like that. Then we'll sew those 3 strips together so we have a block that looks like this. Now we're ready to cut. We're cutting with the 6.5 inch template, but this time we're going to flip the template over and we're going to cut with the template upside down. It's important that you do that to get your waves. Line up your solid lines of your template with the sewn lines of your block, and then you're ready to cut around it with your rotary cutter. Now don't throw your wedges away, those cutoffs on the outside. We're going to show you how to use those in our border. If you'll notice in the border we have some little wedges. So we're going to show you how to use those in our border. We're going to take 2 wedges, a solid piece and a pieced wedge. We're going to sew those 2 together, and it looks like this. We're going to square those up so that they're all the same size. So we've got several here together. Then we're going to sew them end to end like that. And we're going to add a background piece to the end, and that's going to be our pieced border. So you didn't throw anything away, you didn't waste anything, you've used all of your wedges. So 4 minis equal a 6.5 inch block. And the same with the larger template, the 7.5. 4 7.5 inch equal a 7.5 inch block. Thank you for joining us today with the Fat Quarter Shop. Be sure to check out all of the videos on the YouTube channel, and have a great day.